In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guides from the ruler in Canva. If you've ever pulled a guide out from the rulers and then realized you don't need it or it's getting in the way, the fix is quick and simple. First, open the project where you added the guide. On your canvas, you'll see a thin line running straight across the page, horizontal if it came from the top ruler, or vertical if it came from the side ruler. Guides are those faint lines that don't export and don't print. They're just there to help you align your content while you design. To remove a guide, move your mouse over the line on the canvas, not on the ruler itself, but directly on the guide. When you're hovering over it, your cursor may change slightly to indicate you can interact with it. Click and hold the guide, then drag it straight off the page. Keep pulling it past the edge of your design into the gray workspace that surrounds the canvas. The moment you release your mouse outside the page area, the guide disappears. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the guide feels hard to grab, zoom in a little so you can place your cursor precisely on the line. If you accidentally pick up a photo or text instead of the guide, let go, undo if needed, and try again by approaching the line from empty space near the edge of the canvas. This same drag and release motion works for both horizontal and vertical guides. And you can remove as many as you need one by one. If you're working with multiple pages, remember that guides sit on the canvas, not inside your content. Removing a guide doesn't affect your images or text. It only clears that visual alignment line. And if you remove a guide by accident, you can quickly undo to bring it back. When you're done, take a moment to look over your layout to make sure everything still lines up the way you want without the guide in place. To recap, open your design, locate the guide on your canvas, click and hold the line, drag it off the page into the gray area, and release to make it disappear. It's a fast, clean way to keep your workspace free of any guides you no longer need, so you can focus on designing without visual clutter.